What up, YouTube? Welcome to a very special Stunt Lot Seat Time. Today is Jesse Toller's birthday.
The lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night.
Happy birthday.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Happy day, buddy. Thank you, buddy.
Take that in the rape van. Don't be doing that shit out here. Anyway, so yeah, his birthday came down from Tennessee. We're doing a ride this weekend up in Jacksonville, which I wish I knew about sooner. I kind of felt, I think someone sent it to me, but I forgot about it. And then I committed to the wife to do family shit. So you know how that goes. Well, maybe you don't, I don't know. Half of you are probably like 13 years old. Damn, look at that stoppie. So anyway, Guinness Book World Records for the longest stoppie and the fastest stoppie in Guinness, like the Guinness. The fuck out of the way of that. Woo. Getting smoother with them scrapes though. Third day in a row riding. So Monday we hit the lot, Tuesday was Tiny Tuesdays, and today, what's up, man? Oh god. So much going on. I don't even know what I want to do today. I'll just do some staggers. To be honest, I didn't plan on doing that much. But you get this many hitters, it's kind of hard not to do things, right? Smile. I want to tag a happy birthday, you know, like a social media thing. Birthday. Yeah. All right, let's get to it. Dank Wheelie here. Whole bunch of others showing up. Lewis just showed up. Crocs and shorts, huh? So loud. You can't concentrate with that shit coming at you. Chris is trying to fucking figure out scrapes here. His goddamn bike come flying out of his face. It's kind of funny. Not for him, but for me. I think it's funny. A little hectic. I don't usually ride in shorts, so I'm all sketched out, man. I ain't trying to scrape up my kneecaps. I got beautiful kneecaps. Only fans, you get to see those kneecaps. Oh god. So let's go so fast. Ah! Look at this. So aggressive. Boop, 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 boop. Mike's doing no hand circles. I just want to do a little scrape. Just a little scrape. That's all I need to do. I just do a little scrape and I'm done. Let's do some circles after they're done. All right. That's enough warm up for right now. Let's take some pictures. I got Dank Wheelie here, Lewis Stunts, obviously Jesse Toller, and a whole bunch of others. So Nate just pulled up. I'm gonna take a little break, take some photos, and we'll pick it back up with some hopefully amazing shots. Boop. All right, little break. Got some pictures of Jesse and some of the other guys. Here are my favorites, but let's just wait. Hold on. Let's just watch this for a second, then we'll put them up. If you ever see Jesse wearing anything besides red pants when he's on his bike, you need to call 911. That is an imposter, and he's probably being kidnapped. Should I jump in? Let me hop in. Hold on. Let me hop in here. Come on. Here we go. I'm cool. I'm hip.
I'm hip.
As soon as I hop in, you put it down. You got intimidated?
Sorry.
What is that? What is that? Should I jump in right now? See, that's great. I mean, just a little bit, you know, give me a little pat. Not bad. All right, anyway, here's those pictures that I took. Pretty amazing, I do believe. And then Lewis is on the camera right now, not knowing how to focus. So here's his pictures. Hopefully he figured it out. Hey, were you the one that built Lewis's bike?
Dude, I'm 14.
Oh, never mind.
I ride the red drum.
Okay, okay, okay. I got some pictures of you, man.
Hell yeah.
Ah! It's so scary hearing the fucking big bikes coming at you. You see my circles?
Yeah, you're way over here.
Look at everything.
I know. That's where they were all doing it, so I saw it right there.
I was like, there's this little spot. Let me just see if I can do it there. Oh, right-hand turns. Ooh. No, I can do better than that. I blame you as a photographer. What do you want? I gotta get my leg out. I can't, I mean, it was very comfortable. I was like, I'm not even doing anything. It's just like, I'm like, we're going in circles. This is nice. The fucking scooters. Stop! I'll tell you when to move. Get back there. See that scrape? You see my scrape? You got a picture of it? You taking pictures of Mike? Just watching them?
He's the only one doing something.
I was scraping. No hands, circles, sit down, thingamajiggies. Hey, Nate's got his kid doing some circles. So smooth. Why are you stealing my... Lewis, you're on my last fucking... Lewis, listen to me.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Listen to me. Stop stealing my gas, my parts. You don't ride. Both of you guys are fucking plebs. Don't fucking... You know what? Take that shirt off right now, Lewis.